As a member of the U.S. soy community, you have a front row seat to some amazing soy experiences. You're uniquely positioned to share with audiences the important work that our soy farming families perform daily, whether it be a farm tour or an international mission, or people enjoying soy products. This is a great opportunity to document and share these experiences on social media, and we're going to show you a quick and easy way to do that. Adobe Premiere Rush is a free mobile video editing app that allows you to create content on the go. Wherever you are, you can shoot, edit, and share videos right from your phone. Fun, intuitive, and as fast as social media. It's the easiest way to share engaging content with your followers. First, you need to download the app. From an iOS device, you would find it in the App Store. If you're on an Android device, it's in the Google Play Store. You'll need to create a login, and then you're ready to use the app. Let me show you how to do a few things. First, allow access to all your media. Then, let's give your project a name. Use the media browser to locate and select the media you want to use in your project. The media can be video, images, or audio. To start a new project, simply click on the blue Create a New Project button. Trim the elements. And easily rearrange clips in your project timeline. Switch your video orientation to portrait, square, or landscape with a click of a button. Refine color and audio with easy-to-use controls. And if you want, you can add titles, audio, and transitions. Export and publish your videos directly to multiple social media platforms all in one step. And be sure to tag #USSoy. And then rinse and repeat. The more you use it, the easier it'll get, and you'll be creating engaging content in no time. So take matters into your own hands and start sharing these amazing U.S. soy experiences today.